How to fix Fortnite crashing. Step 1. Search for Advanced System Settings. Click it. Click Advanced. Under Performance, click Settings. Click Advanced. Under Virtual Memory, click Changes. Enable Automatic Manage Paging File Size for all drive. If it is disabled means you need to enable it. Click OK in the bottom side. Click Apply and OK and restart it. After restart, move on with next step. Click Settings, click System Settings, click Graphics Settings, click Advanced Graphics Settings, enable Hardware Acceleration Schedule, enable it, scroll down, check for applications. If Fortnite having means you need to click it. The GPU preference is depends on you. You can set it as high preference and optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If it's not having means you can browse it. If the problem still remains, you can revert back it and move on with next step. Click this PC, click C drive, go to properties, tools, check and scan the drive. Once scanning complete, after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. There is no error were found. Click OK. Then move on with next step. Open up Epic Game Launcher, click Library, click the three dot icon, click Manage, click Verify File. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete, after one more time, click the three dot icon, click Manage, click Installation Folder, click Fortnite Game, click Binary Win64 EC Anti-Cheat. You have seen the EC Anti-Cheat setup. Double click the EC Anti-Cheat setup. It should run like this. After completing, close it and move on with next step. Search for Device Manager. Click Display Adapters and check the drivers. Right click it and update the drivers. Once update complete, after close it. Then move on with next step. Search for CMD. Click Run as Administrative and type the following text. SFC space / scan now. Click enter. This process will take some time because it's entirely verifying the files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete, after exit it and restart your device. Thank you.